The call from the depths of nature. Each slab of stone carries the resilience of mountains and rivers. Why choose a stone table? It's not afraid of high temperatures. With an ultra-high hardness rating, its smooth surface, fearless of any scratches. High density and low water absorption, capable of withstanding food stains. Integrated frame design, ultra-stable, non-deformable. Aluminum alloy material, high strength, highly corrosion resistant. Suitable for outdoor use. Easily handles both sunny and rainy days. A variety of styles to choose from. Adaptable to various home decor styles. Wisfor, the best aesthetic consultant for your home.